Oi, Kenny got the pound. Oh no, you're not too good on it. Doesn't look very healthy, eh? Be careful with the body kit. Zoom on these there.
That's all what Emily was going. I was going to go all today.
Oh, there's done. Oh no, how they gonna get it off, eh? Good luck with trying to turn it on back on. It's not gonna turn on.